Next question right here. Two new students do the physics test. They both scored the same marks. The mean from physics marks for the 12 students is 31. Calculate the physics marks for the new student, right? So to calculate the physics marks for the student, right? So basically you are gonna see that, for example, right, this is the mean formula I have stated, right? Mean is equal to total values, right? Total values by number of students, right? Now I am gonna compare it with old and new, right? So basically the old one I had mean, which is 28, right? And how I got that 28? I got from the total values, right? Which was, I can say that X, or you can just basically use the old values, right? And I had 10 students, right? So I knew that my total value must be 280, right? If you get the sum from the the table, right? So 26 plus 39, 35 plus 28 plus 9 plus 37, do you add them and you get 280, there's not going to be any change, right? So I can use the same concept over here as well, right? So I have 31 mean and I don't know the X value, right? And I can see that basically two students have, that will be later on used, right? So first now I'm going to calculate the total values, right? So basically I have 12 students, right? If I multiply these two, right, I will get it as basically 372, right? So now I know that there are two students identical, right? So first I'm going to minus this up so that I know that how much those two students got, right? So 372 minus 280, you will get it as 92, right? And then you are basically going to divide it by 2. Why? Because it says two new students do the physics test and they both scored the same marks. Right? So you can divide it by 2 and then you will get your answer as basically 46. My bad, not 50, 46, right? This is your final answer, right?